I'm so tired of these slugs eating my garden. There's got to be a way to get rid of them. Here, let me check on the internet. It says here to use beer or yeast. But I've tried that. Didn't work. I guess it's time to go big. To the beer store. Then the yeast store. Well, I picked up some beer. Not for the slugs, but for me. These slugs are driving me to drink. Oh yeah, that's good. Well, I guess I should save a few for the slugs. I wonder what would happen if I mixed the yeast and the beer together. It's not bad, actually. Well, enough messing around. Time to make some slug traps. Slug trap, baby, slug trap. Slug trap, I don't take that. Some for the slugs, some for me. You know, I try to grow as much of my own food as possible, but in the past 2 years I haven't got much out of my garden due to slugs. So I decided if I want to get my garden back, I had to get serious. I set a bunch of traps using a variety of containers. I even used those empty beer cans too. And the past 2 nights I trapped about 40 slugs. I also went out late last night and snipped as many as I could find. I'm just going to keep at it till fall. Hopefully next year will be better. But this year is kind of a write-off. I'm also going to try growing different vegetables like corn and peas. The slugs seem to leave those alone. So I hope you found this video entertaining, and thanks for watching.